So this is a video to show you how my vehicle works in full detail. So basically, inside my car here, I've got, that's just tied up, but basically, the way it works is that that's a temperature sensor, and you've got the soil moisture sensor right here. And basically what happens is that I've set the code so that when this is, so this is X and that's Y. I mean, that's how I made my code. So I made it that when both X and Y is equal to 1, given certain circumstances, then only then will that relay switch back there. That will turn true, and that connects to the water motor, which is inside there, connected through this wire, and that also powers the wheels. And the motor shield for that is at the back there. So I've got 3 battery packs, so because I do need a lot of power for this. I've got one there, I've got one at the back, and that's another one there, that black box. That's the breadboard. So basically, there's another video where I'll demonstrate how my code works as well. But this is just to show you how my layout works. The reason I've tied this up is because this was initially when I didn't have enough battery packs. This was used to connect to my laptop, and that gave external power to the Arduino, which was required. And also another thing is that with this water sensor here, the one flaw with my system is that this is not like, I couldn't get the solenoid to work. So this is, you have to put this in manually. Obviously that's not ideal in a real life scenario, but like if I could manage to get the solenoid working in time, I would have, but I just didn't have the time. And yeah, it was really difficult and really challenging for me. So that's one of the flaws that I wasn't able to solve, was that how to find a way so that a solenoid can basically push this into the soil. So my plan was to have like a hole somewhere around back here or there, and basically that would just act as like a place where the solenoid could sit against that wall, which is shown in my modeling, and that would basically just push this water moisture sensor into the ground and detect the moisture instead of having it in another cup of water. But another issue with that was that the solenoid, the distance that it actually pushed wasn't very big. It was like maybe 0.5 centimeter at max, and that was another thing which was really problematic, because I would have to have this really low to the ground in order for it to, in order for the solenoid to push it just like 0.5 centimeter of the tip into the ground. So yeah, that's how my thing has been set up, and that's all my wiring inside. I left this back panel open so I could show you how this works. Thank you.